Best of Doulas is a program that aims to give fathers, Black fathers specifically, doula-level education. It's a 6-week program or sometimes a 1-weekend workshop aimed at creating seeds of advocacy throughout our communities to let people know what to do and how to get engaged in maternal health solutions.
I really came in with the idea of understanding the issues with maternal health in the Black community. What can I do to learn more to be able to impact my community in a better way, in addition to how can I impact my direct household in a better way?
Indiana in itself has one of the highest maternal mortality rates, and also you find some counties in Indiana that have 2 to 3 times, sometimes 5 times the national average for infant mortality. So it's really important when organizations like Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield bring us in to teach these fathers in their communities.
After this experience, I have more confidence and knowledge going into medical environments and being supportive. But now I feel more confident that I can actually speak up and ask my own questions.